That's the beauty of it. And it is our highest temperature resistant product. It'll handle temperatures up to 200 degrees Fahrenheit.
Hey, just time out for 1 second, because what I'm concerned about is when we go for this.
Okay, again, this material is more like a plaster type of material. You see how loose it is? Now this is even trickier to get out of the bucket, but it trowels like butter. Now normally you get about 14 square feet per gallon with this material. And that's a finished product number. So the base coat would be twice that number. And the base coat and the top coat are the same. Now if you look, I wrote down what the base coats and top coats are of all these systems behind on the edge of these boards here. And when you get a chance, you can look at that. See, if I have a light spot, I'll just go back over it and add a little material. Okay. Now I need you can see though that it's very easily to distribute this material. The trowel is very nice, smooth. And then the lines and trowel marks that you'll see, the rolling of the styrene will take care of that. So even if we have some imperfections, we can leave them and it'll catch it with the styrene.